Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decision. So Palantir down 46 cents, 5.74%, closed at 755. Post-market, we are up by 1 cent. Let's look at this damage here. So we were stuck between 792 and 843, and now we lost 792. So the stock is again free falling. Still inside this downward channel right here, still inside of it. So at some point it could be bouncing on it. Maybe 694, we could be bouncing on this. In terms of indicators, everything is in the tank. Stochastic at 19. Oh no, MACD crossed over bullish. Oh boy, I almost forgot about that. I almost did not notice it. MACD crossing over bullish. MACD. Do you believe in MACD now? Stock is going down and MACD is going up because MACD is a laggard indicator. So it did not look at what happened these past few days, the past week. So it's reacting on the overall averages of the close. Anyway, this is why it's doing what it's doing. And pretty much everything else is in the tank. No indication that things are going to go up. And we have an indication that things are still going down. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. And I have other affiliate links of stuff I really use. So you can check that out. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.